Sanibonani, dumelang absheni. Igama uSakhile Wakambatha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic, good people, is about praying at the mountain. Ukuthandaza ehlane, ho rapela mo thabeng or ko thabeng. Good people, today's topic is very simple and straightforward. I won't be long, so I'll try to keep it short. I want to talk about the importance and the benefits of praying at the mountain. First things first, good people, going to the mountain is a very deep and spiritual act. If you can go to India, you can go to China, you can even go to the deeper parts of Africa, you'll see that mountains are regarded as a very holy place. So to go there and pray, good people, means that you are connecting with your guiding angels, you are connecting with your ancestors, you are connecting with God at large. So when you go to the mountain, it is very important that you carry certain things. Probably sometimes you can carry candles. It depends on what you really want to do. So the importance of going to the mountain is that sometimes your things are not really going well, or maybe you're not really connecting with your ancestors due to you maybe living at a place where your ancestors can't find you, or maybe you are, let's say, you are renting somewhere and you can't really burn impepo there, you can't really pray there. Going to the mountain can be very helpful to your situation, because when you go to the mountain, that's where your forefathers are. Your ancestors can hear your prayers at the mountain, because it's connected to the sky. The sky, as we know, good people, represents what? Heaven, in a spiritual sense, and in a spiritual view. Just a quick note, good people. Remember that everything I say on this channel is just my opinion and my own research. Feel free to find out more and to research more about the topics I've discussed here. And just to go back to the topic of praying at the mountain, as I was saying, good people, the mountain is where you can connect with your ancestors, you can connect with God without any disturbance. So mountains are usually used for prayer and uphahla. So that's where you can actually perform certain things that you can't perform at home. So I'd encourage everyone to at least find a place, find a mountain where you can pray, or where you can connect with your ancestors. Ehlane. That's usually the way that you can unlock most of your things. Maybe you have issues, you're not really going far in life, and you're not seeing any difference. Praying at the mountain can really bring about change to a lot of things. So I hope that I've informed you about this topic. I will keep posting more videos on this topic, as praying at the mountain is a very deep thing, and it has a lot of and there are a number of ways in which someone can pray at the mountain. So I'll go deep into this topic. Until next time, good people, for consultation, you can reach me on 062 738 1805. 062 738 1805. Until next time, goodbye.